Shahan, thank you so much and welcome to the Weather Center, everyone. Once again, we had cloud-free skies dominating the weather throughout the day for much of South Africa, but not so for the south coast, where we had quite a lot of rain-bearing clouds starting to creep in towards the end of the day, and that's ahead of this cold front, which is going to introduce rainy weather tonight from the southwest coastline all the way into the south coast of the Eastern Cape. Now, this evening, we are going to have fine conditions for much of the country, but the cold front here is going to give us light rain and drizzle for parts of the south coast and the adjacent interior, spreading into the Eastern Cape coastal areas as we get into Saturday morning. And talking of Saturday morning, we will also see a bit of rain for the eastern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Then as we head towards the afternoon hours, things are going to dry out for the south coast of the Western Cape, and it will be cool for the southern areas. The rest of the country should see mostly sunny skies with warm to hot temperatures once again for much of the Northern Cape and over the eastern areas. We will stay with a few sprinkles of rain for the rest of the Eastern Cape coastal areas as well as the KZN coast. Then in the evening, we are going to see lots of rain-bearing clouds creeping into KwaZulu-Natal and parts of Mpumalanga, where fairly wet weather is expected for your Saturday night. Now, as for tonight, we are not going to see any rain for much of South Africa, but between a 20 and 40% chance of overnight rain can be expected over parts of the south coast, including around the Garden Route as well as the Jeffreys Bay area. It's going to be rather breezy tonight along the Eastern Cape coastal areas. The breezy conditions spread into the KwaZulu-Natal coast as we head into Saturday morning. And on Saturday morning, it will be windy as well for parts of the southwest coastline as well as over the south coast. The western and eastern parts of the country should experience light to moderate winds throughout your Saturday. Now, if you are in Durban this evening, things are going to look more like this for you. Starry skies overhead, but it will become rather breezy with a southwesterly breeze reaching up to 35 kilometers per hour, and we get into Saturday morning with temperatures around 16 degrees. Then for the rest of your Saturday, we are going to have mostly cloudy skies with light rain, temperatures peaking at just around 23 degrees in the afternoon. Now, talking of temperatures, we are going to start off Saturday like this, temperatures staying around the 4-degree mark in the morning for Bethlehem and Bloemfontein. Similar temperatures for Graafrenet as well as around Ladysmith. It will be warmer as we go towards the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas, 11 for Port Elizabeth as well as Cape Town and Upington. Similar temperatures for Mahikeng as well as Lephalale. Then on Saturday afternoon, it's going to stay warm to hot for the northern and northeastern parts of the country, where highs in the upper 20s and lower 30s are expected. Cooler, however, for the southern areas, George and Port Elizabeth, managing highs of just around 17, 23 for Cape Town, the same for Durban, 22 for the high in Richards Bay. And just looking ahead to your Sunday, it's going to be partly cloudy and dry in KwaZulu-Natal. A bit of rain is forecast from Mbombela. That's all we have time for now. Over to you.